Hey traders, big news! Axiom Pro just got a massive upgrade, packed with powerful new features to supercharge your Solana Memecoin trading. In this video, we're diving into the biggest updates and exciting additions that'll take your game to the next level. Let's jump right in. First up, meet Vision. Check out this sleek leaderboard showcasing top KOLs, wallets, and your tracked traders. Easily switch between tabs to monitor real-time performance and metrics of any KOL. See in Live Winning Wallets. Next, say hello to our revamped wallet tracker. Easily group your wallets and create lists for a clear, organized view. Switch across lists and monitor tokens held by your tracked wallets in real time, spotting their moves instantly. This powerful tool helps you track smarter and faster your favorite trader. Axiom Trade has the fastest wallet tracker. Access, track, see, and trade in one click with this new wallet tracking interface. Auth methods let you choose new, flexible ways to protect your account. You can now add a password to secure your Axiom account. Axiom just integrated the new Orca Launchpad protocol. Get instant, detailed insights on your positions. Customize them in the settings panel to focus on what matters most for you. What makes Axiom better is that everything is customizable. Customize where toasts appear on your screen. Select your preferred spot in the settings panel. Whether it's top right or bottom left, keep your trade alerts exactly where you want them. Customize your trading with the pulse settings. Configure your pulse to your liking. Make pulse yours by reordering columns for key metrics. Resize buttons for a perfect fit. Set up quick buy options for lightning-fast trades. Tailor every detail to your style, boosting efficiency and precision in every trade. Pulse row colors. Customize the colors of your pulse rows to spot trends instantly. You can also configure your quick buy button color. Light up your data with pulse metric colors. Customize the colors of your pulse metrics for instant clarity. Choose bold shades to highlight price, volume, or more. With tailored colors, spot critical trends faster. Customize your quick buy button size and look. Adjust its size for easy access and enable the ultra glow effect. With a sleek, glowing design, your quick buy button stands out, ready for lightning-fast trades. Migration line. See what market cap tokens will migrate. Adjust the migration price line to fit your strategy. Watchlist Buy. Trade faster with Watchlist Buy. Buy or sell tokens directly from your watchlist in a flash. Just click Quick Buy or Sell to act instantly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials.